Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. You love Shani. It's your girl Shani, and I'm back with another video. Alright, so today I came with a collab. Hold on, let me fix that. Alright, and I'm back. So today I'm coming to y'all with a collab with the Mukbang B.U.L.S, of course. That's my team, y'all already know. And friends. So I'm going to put everybody's name right here, as well as I'm going to list them. So for the Mukbang B.U.L.S, we have, of course, we got Big Mac, You Love Shiny, Lips, and Sam's World. And that's the Mukbang B.U.L.S. Now, the friends who came along with us today are good friends. We love them too. Hashtag the Cannons and FATBELLYFELLA. Y'all already know all of us are really close. So this collab is super easy to knock out and do. Today, as you can tell from the title, we have a huge hamburger steak collab. That's what we're gonna do. So I got my huge hamburger steak. This is a 3-pound, y'all. Is your girl gonna eat it all? She don't know. I got green beans right here with minced garlic in there, and then I got mashed potatoes right here with cheese and green onions. Drink on deck. Y'all already know what time it is with that. She ready. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna put my straw in my drink. I always fix my drink and put it on the table. I never try it before the video. That's real good. Cheers to y'all. All right, y'all. So if you are new here, or if you came from any of my friends' channel, I want to say welcome, and please hit the subscribe button. Make sure to hit the like button and leave lots of comments, because I love those, of course. I'm in the comments with y'all. I'm in there. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna dig in. I'm gonna go from the back though. I got just some parsley on here just to make it pretty. Just to make it pretty. Oh, it's perfect too. Perfect. There we go. I want to eat this with my hands, y'all. I'm gonna go in. It's good. I did not put any gravy or anything on there. I want to just season real well, and you know, season real good. I got a thing for hamburger meat. Let's try these mashed potatoes. These are so these are baby red potatoes with roasted garlic and Parmesan cheese. I added some more Kobe and Monterey Jack and green onions. Got some more. Some more green onions off to the side. That's good. I love green onions. So all of these channels that I am collabing with, I absolutely love. And I watch them. Oh yeah, let me see if I can show you that. Cheese, I put cheese in the... Oh, man, hold up. I put cheese in the middle. So these are legitimate channels that I actually watch and love. That I'm suggesting that y'all go over there, all my angels, and watch their videos as well. It's good. It's really good. I'm trying to do it carefully because I don't want this cutting board to tip over, y'all. It's perfect. Seasoned to perfection. Like I said, it's a 3-pounder, and it is so good. So good. It's good, y'all. That's all I can say. This was a great idea. When we had a meeting of the minds, this is a great idea. So y'all, make sure y'all go. Still got a snap to it. Make sure y'all go to the other channels and watch their videos as well. We all did the same thing, except the sides or whatever would be different. The only common thing we have is this hamburger steak. Can I go through it without a tipping? Yes. Good. And I'm going in today. It is late, and I'm hungry. I went live last night. Did you miss it, y'all? Some of y'all missed it. So make sure your bell is on. Let me see. Go down in here with the green onions. Let's see, can I get another cheese pull? It's good, y'all. It absolutely is. It's really good. Fresh green onions. I need a garden. I need a garden. It is Saturday, y'all, so happy Saturday. What's y'all plans for tomorrow since we quarantine? Y'all still gonna do the family thing with the Easter egg hunt? That's what we usually be doing, usually. Easter egg hunt, my children gone. They gone for the weekend. I am free to do whatever. But guess what I'm gonna do? Work. So yeah, there's that. Because I'm what they call an essential employee. So yeah, I dropped the video yesterday too. A seafood boil yesterday, so if you can, please go back and watch it. I don't know if I'm hungry, y'all, but I'm going in. This is good to eat with your hands. Lips always say that. Some stuff tastes better from your hands. This is one of them. Whoa, y'all. Okay, y'all, so this is watermelon. I'm not going to say any brands. And today sponsor me. But it is watermelon vodka and peach nectar. So pick whatever brand, the brand of your choice. The vodka of your choice. If you know me, you know what's in there. If you've been watching me for a while, you know what type of vodka I pick. So right about now, I'm going to float their names again, boop, in case you missed it earlier. Because I love, love, love these channels. They are hilarious. They're going to make you laugh. They're going to eat some food. I don't know. I mean, I'm going to go in today, but I just, I love all of them. I really do. I love all their channels. And they're going to eat some food. They're going to come with some different menu items, like diverse. Everybody in this group can cook. I'm going to say that one more time. Everybody in this group, in this collab, can cook. They coming out the kitchen with these videos. Just like me. I go out to eat sometime, but I be cooking, y'all. Give me another piece of this. This is too good, y'all. Too good. Juicy. It's juice on the board. That's why I went from the back. There's a juice on the board. So this part can still be looking presentable. I'm going in. I'm like almost halfway through. Each one of these channels, I have learned something from them personally. Not just watching their videos, but on a personal level, because we are all close. I have learned something from all these channels. Yeah, I'm hungry. All right. Cheers. Oh yeah. That drink is kicking. It got a kick at the end. Like, It's because the watermelon vodka is sweet, but it, man, look. Keep sipping. Keep on sipping. Bomb. This is a great idea because I'm a hamburger meat fan. I can't get enough. These potatoes is bomb. The green onions and the cheese. Cheese on the top and in the middle. Okay. I don't eat cheese often, but when I do, I do. Everything is delicious. Cheers to all my collab partners. I can't wait to go and watch their videos. We all will be dropping at the same time, so you can go in whatever order you like. If you're watching this, I might be number 3 or 4 or, you know. I have to be number 1, but make sure you make your rounds to everybody's channel and watch their rendition of the Huge Hamburger Steak. This is huge. The camera is not doing it any justice, y'all. None. Because it's huge. It's pretty big. Big enough to hide the spoon. Okay. Yeah. This is really, really good. I'm so glad to be back with y'all. I was quarantining for a minute. I'm enjoying this meal. Okay. Great collab. I can't wait to go watch theirs. When y'all get through watching mine, just go on a roll. I will have all of their links in the description box below. Yeah. I'm halfway through. So I ate almost over a pound. Yeah. What are y'all doing with y'all kids since y'all at home? Let me get some ideas. Besides watching movies, we do that all the time. We play the game all the time. Maybe we should get some board games. What y'all think? That's old school. And my kids are like new school for real. Get some board games. Need to bring that Uno back. That's throwback. Y'all comment down below. Did y'all used to play Uno? It's like Uno with our friends, our family. It become war in the house. Uno make war. Your house will be World War III. Over Uno game. Hands down. One of the best meals I've had in a minute. Hands down. If y'all are cooking like me, right? How are they expecting us to keep groceries in our house? Because my kids eat. They eat like for real. They don't play no games. They eat and they look for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. They go in like for real. So how can you keep the food in your house? Because mine is going. Because I be cooking it. Yeah, I'm full now. A pound and a half of meat, maybe. A pound and a fourth. Because I'm right at the halfway mark. I got a little piece over. If you're still here and you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment. Let me know that you stopped by. That's good. Yeah, I need to weigh the white flag because I'm full. Full.com. I ain't gonna hold y'all long because I really truly want y'all to go and watch everybody's video. So I'm not gonna hold y'all as long as I usually would, child. Like yesterday, my seafood boil was 30 minutes, 32 minutes. This is perfect. Now I ate a whole pound and a half if I finish that bite, but I can't. I can't even finish that bite. I don't even know I'm finished this, but I'm finna go. The girl finna go. I thank y'all for coming to visit, new people. If y'all came from all my friends' channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by, taking your time out to watch my video. Yeah. All of my angels, make sure to go to their videos. Check out their channels. If you like them, hit the subscribe button. Simple as that. Simple as that. Cheers. One more again. This was delicious. I am full. It's your girl, Shiny. Thank you for watching. Again, Blind Bay is here for a minute with these glasses. All right, y'all. That's it. That's all. I'm going to float their names one more time. Oh, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll put that first. You love Shiny, the number 2. Follow me on Instagram. Okay, and here go their names again. Boop, boop, boop. Am I going to do it like that? Like make them boop, 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 boop. Who knows? I guess y'all see once the video is out. It's so will I. Because I don't know what I'm going to do. Excuse me. That is my official cue. Your girl is out. I love y'all. I thank y'all. I appreciate every single one of y'all. We are still on the road to 3K. So help me out. Help me out. I am gone. I said that 20 times. Cheers. This drink is fire. Make it. Peach nectar and watermelon vodka. Oh, yeah, to my collab partners, thanks for having me, of course. Thanks for inviting me. I love y'all. Bye.